and welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the headlines. Mining dependent workers hold a morcha in Panji, demand restarting of mining operations, oppose auction of lease. Aggrieved shack owners oppose government shack policy, demand rollback of policy, hold a rally in Panji. Court gives interim relief to coal companies, allow temporary handling of coal at berth number 5 and 6. MPT meets employees, briefs about dip in revenue. Goa Athletic Association gears up for Lusophone Games with budget, training schedules and team composition. Goa's squad will comprise of 50% outstation athletes. Sports psychologists needed, says officials. And Tennis is exciting and physically demanding like badminton, but why isn't a popular college sport? Prudent takes a close look at tennis. And now the news in detail. Mining dependent workers, truck owners and drivers held a march in Panji on Thursday under the banner of ITUC. The morcha pressed for restarting of mining operations immediately. The meeting at Azad Maidan opposed auctioning of mining leases. The mining dependents began protest march from Panji bus stand and later gathered at Azad Maidan. The rally at Azad Maidan was addressed by the ITEC leaders and the leaders representing the truck owners and drivers. Mining dependent people have demanded that the mining in the state should be resumed immediately.
सद्याक आमचो एकूच नारो आसा तो म्हणल्यार मायनिंग चालू करात. लीगल मायनिंग जे इल्लीगल करिनाकात हे 15 दीस हाच्या भितर जरी तर ह्यो प्रश्न मिटना आमी कायदो कचेरी कोर्ट तेका पळोवचे ना. कोर्ट कितेंय सांगो जाल्यार आमी रस्त्यार येतले आनी आमच्या बरोबर दुसऱ्या लोकांक आमी रस्त्यार हाडटले. आमीच न्हय आमच्या टोटल फॅमिलीक घेवन रस्त्यार येतले. कांय लोक म्हणटा ऑक्शन करात. हे आमकां ऑक्शनींग नाका. ह्यो आमचो टायम टेबल आमचो थाराव आसा आणि त्याच बरोबर सरकारान ताबडतोब जस्टिस शाह कमिशन रिपोर्ट हाचेर कितें पळय सांगलां कितें लुकसाण जालां कितें लुकसाण जावंक ना ते शोध करात आनी कोणें तर लुकसाण केलां चोरी केलाच ताचेर इमिडिएटली एक्शन घेयात कायद्या प्रमाणे. आमी सरकाराक सांगतात तुमच्या लागीं आनी विचारतात बी की तुमच्या लागीं दुसरो नोकरी दिवपाक गोंयच्या लोकांक गोंयच्या तरुणांक शाश्वत ना जाल्यार कोणी तरी म्हणटा की मायनिंग काम बंद जावपाक जाय सारकें ठप्प जावपाक जाय जाल्यार आमच्यान म्हणपाचें आहा ते अमानुष मनशापण नातलेले. गोंयचें हित तांकां नाका. गोंयच्या लोकांचें हित नाका. गोंयचो लोक किडी कशें मरोंक जाय तशें तांचो येवजण आहा.
Devendra Gaonkar for Prudent. Shack owners hit the streets in the capital city on Tourism Day. They have strongly opposed government shack policy and demanded rollback. They have strongly criticized the government and the tourism department for not taking them into confidence. The protest rally was stopped near the church square. The shack owners are opposing the restrictions like limited shack space and number of deck beds. They claim if the policy is enforced, it will ruin their business. State government had approved and declared shack policy on Wednesday. The new shack policy has come as a shock to the shack owners. Shack fee and deposit has been raised. Many other restrictions are imposed on shack owners. There are security guidelines and action against shack owners violating conditions specified in the license. Shack owners submitted memorandum to the tourism department as they could not meet the chief minister. They have demanded a policy rollback.
60,000 सुमार देशपेज जातलो एक CCTV घालपाक घालता आमी ओनूंक घायली ह्या सिजनाक घायली CCTV नेक्स्ट सिजनाक कितें CCTV व्हरून घराक बसोवपाची नेक्स्ट सिजनाक आमची गॅरंटी ना कोणा मेळटली ती शेकां तुमी सगळे लॉटरी सिस्टम करून पाड घातला आनी म्हणटा आतां CCTV बसयता आमी ना न्हू बसयता पयशे करून बसयता पूण आमकां 10 वर्सांची शेकां दी 10 वर्सांक लायसन्स दी आमी मागीर बसता TV
आमकां तुमी आमची शेकां दिवपाक जायना आदली ती कित्याक रिड्यूस केल्यात तुमी आमची कांदोळे 100 शेकां रिड्यूस केल्या कलांगूट 11 शेकां रिड्यूस केल्या कित्याक लागून आमी कोणाचेर वायट उलयना पूण ही पॉलिसी वायट होल्डार दवरूंक जाय आमचेशीं डिस्कशन कर ऑल स्टेक होल्डरांशी डिस्कशन कर आनी मागीर पॉलिसी काड तुमकां तो सरकाराक जाय जाल्यार एका दिसान पॉलिसी भायर काडपाक जाता एका दिसान सगळ्यो फायली मूव करूंक जाता सो जेन्ना तिसरे 2 दिसांनी परिकार येता ह्या दिसा तूं ह्यो आमची फायल घे हातीन सगळ्या स्टेक होल्डरांक आपय आनी आमची प्रश्न सुटावे कर.
A senior reporter Lokik Shilkar with Dinesh Karpe and Omkar Falari for Prudent. High Court in its interim order has allowed handling of coal on berth number 5 and 6. However, coal companies have approached the court seeking number 10 and 11 berths. On Thursday, MPT chairman called a meeting with the employees and briefed them about the financial position of the port trust.
The first thing what we explained was that just about a couple of weeks back, Ainur was banned. As a result, what happened that whatever we handle, last year we handled about 29 million tons, and this year so far we handled only about 11 million tons. So there's going to be huge shortfall in the revenue of the port. And secondly, like coal is another thing which the Pollution Control Board has stopped it. And we have to feed almost about 3,000 people working employees and 4,000 people retired employees. All put together I have about 7,000 people with me, plus the medical benefits, other benefits, everything. So like the finance will be totally affected by all this action.
आता सध्या क्रायसीस चालू आसा मायन्साचे आयर्न ओर बंद जाल्लो आसा आनी जो कोळसो आमी हँडल करताले तोय पोल्युशन कंट्रोल बोर्डान आता सध्या बंद केल्लो आहा आनी हे तर अशेंच सिच्युएशन उरत जाल्यार आमी वर्कर त्रासां पडटले आमकां इन्कम ना जातलो आनी इन्कम ना जाल्यार पेन्शनर आनी वर्कर्साचो पेमेंट थोड्या म्हयन्यांनी किंवा थोड्या टायमान आमकां त्रास जातले फायनान्साचो.
Surendra Matkekar for Prudent Media.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.